Hello traders, in this video I want to speak about EURUSD and I will make a top-down analysis on this pair starting from the monthly time frame down to daily time frame. This is to help us understand where we have the highest probability for the next potential move on this asset. So without wasting time, let's now get into the business. Here we have EURUSD and this is monthly time frame. And if we look at the monthly time frame, we can see that price is currently trading at the area of 1.16375, which is here. This is the current price. Okay, so if we observe what the market has done recently, we can see that price broke this resistance level here to the upside. Okay, so price shifted to the upside, and generally after we see a break of previous resistance, that previous resistance usually turn what? A support. Okay, so we are likely to see a situation where price will fall back to that previous resistance, which will now turn support. Okay, so from the monthly time frame, what we just see right now is price breaking through the previous resistance level, and after the break of structure, we usually do what? Anticipate price to do what? To fall back to the broken level. Okay, now so from the monthly time frame, we saw a break above the previous resistance level. Also, if we look at the historic flow of the market from the monthly time frame, we can see that EURUSD has been bearish for a long period of time. The flow remains to the downside. Okay, so this break above could be a pullback for more sale to occur, because we've been having series of what? Lower highs, as we can see. So this might likely be another what? Another high. So we have a good probability of seeing price retrace back to this previous resistance. Okay, so that's what we see from the monthly time frame. So let's now check the weekly. Here from the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that after the break of structure, price has been finding resistance around this level. Okay, also we have a double top pattern formation here, which we can see that price made this first impulse move, retraced, pushed up again, but could not make a new high, and then price finally dropped. So that is a double top like pattern above at that level. So that is also a sign that market is going to do what? That we should expect a correction soon. So since we have a double top pattern, it is a sign that price has a good tendency to make a retracement back to the previous resistance, which will now turn support. Now let's check the daily time frame. Here from the daily time frame, it is clear how price rebounded here, how the pullback started occurring from here. So this is a pullback. This immediate bullish trend is a pullback, okay, which is a sign that after the pullback there will be a further move to the downside. Okay, so we've seen that the monthly, the weekly and daily time frame are all giving us a signal that there could be a drop in EURUSD. Here is where we can see that double top pattern that we envisaged from the weekly time frame clearer. We see the first high, we see the second high, we see the break of the neckline. We see the break of the neckline, and then this is a pullback. So after this pullback is completed, we anticipate the sell to continue dropping further. Okay, so let's now position ourselves in intraday time frame and trade this market. So I will use the H4 time frame. So here from the H4 time frame, I've already seen how price is breaking through the level of 1.16326. So the current price is already dropping. We can see that the current price is already dropping below this previous support here. So it is a good time to sell. It is a good time to sell, and our stop loss is slightly above the entry, and we are targeting price to fall back to this low here. Okay, so we are having a good probability, a good sell probability in this market. So that's the analysis on Euro USD.